Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is another vlogmas. Yeah, another day of vlogmas. Today is the 29th of November. It's Sunday. God, I just woke up. I literally just woke up, but today's a good day. I'm very excited because finally get to decorate the house for Christmas tree. But before I do that, first I want to make custard. I'm hungry and I ate custard last night, and it's the first time in years since I've had custard. I don't know why I hadn't eaten it, but anyhow, it's finally feeling Christmassy. I'm so excited. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my onesie. It's just a onesie that Agatha got for me, and my shoes too. You got that energy and I love it. Yeah. Kiss my lips, make me feel I'm lonely. Yeah. I'm looking for a boy, 'cause I know I'm enough, babe. I'm not gonna wait too long, 'cause I don't need someone else. I'll never give up. It's not in my way. I never lay down. I do always what I like. I do not need approval. Right back. I do always what I like. You will see me shine bright. I'm not starship in the sky. You got that energy and I love it. Yeah. Kiss my lips, make me feel I'm lonely. I'm looking for a boy, 'cause I know I'm enough, babe. I'm not gonna wait too long, 'cause I don't need someone's help. I just finished microwaving my food, so I'm eating jollof rice. It's very hot, it just came out from the microwave, and I put pepper on top, and I'm drinking this juice. This is my favorite juice. Let me try it again. Yeah, this one. Today is such a calm day. The weather is so dull, not so bright, not so sunny. After eating, I think later today I'm going to make banana bread. Yeah, and then study. I don't really have much planned today, just study and make my banana bread. So I'm gonna eat now, and then I guess the next clip will be of me making my banana bread, because I want the house to smell really nice, and banana bread is just an easy way to make. Baking generally is an easy way to just make your house smell nice. So we have a banana, so yeah. I never give up. It's not in my way. I never lay down. I do always what I like. I do not need approval. Right back. I do always what I like. You will see me shine bright. I'm all stars in the sky. You got that we're going to the library, and this is my outfit. I'm just wearing this hoodie and leggings, but I'll wear a jacket on top because it's apparently so cold out there. I was baking and I injured myself. See? Here in the oven. Imagine. I have to pack my bag and pack the books, but it's been years since I went to the library, so I'm excited. I just hope everything goes well, or at least according to how it is in my mind.
It's close, just like any other place.
Agatha is getting her tooth x-ray done. Oh, this is so cool. Oh wow, so come and see.
I've seen it last time.
Really? I haven't. It goes around your head. This is really cool.
This is the second time he's getting it done.
Really?
Yeah.
So why can't they use the old x-ray?
Because it was a different hospital she did that. First time she did it at a very private hospital, it was much nicer than this one.
Really?
Look all fancy like the ones you see in America, honey.
So he's going to get her teeth x-rayed, and after she's done, I'm also going to get my teeth x-rayed. I've never x-rayed my teeth before, so I'm so excited. Yeah. But this is the mom.
It's so wide, it can't be seen.
It's okay.
Okay, are you excited?
Yes. My wisdom teeth is coming out, so I want to see if it's going to show on the x-ray that is coming out.
Wow. See, I'm the only one who doesn't have a wisdom tooth that's... Oh wow. Are you feeling nervous?
No. I'm more excited.
It becomes weird once you're in there. Done.
Yeah. Oh, look at my wisdom teeth. Let me take a picture.
Oh my word, they come out weird.
Weird, right?
They come out from the side like this.
You see, they are strange.
它也有那个
wisdom.
哦，这个是肯定要拔的 ，put out。
真的吗？
这个会把
Because
这
it's
个
coming out weird.
这个这样子。
Why is it coming out like that?
如果我要拔多少？
你这个我看一下 ，open the mouth。
Okay, so after doing the x-ray, I found out that my wisdom tooth is poking out. It's coming out like this, so I have to take it off. So I'm going to take it off. She said, "This is my school's coffee shop in the library. It was never this fancy when I used to come here." You guys, there are music boxes. Can we buy one, please? How do you selling iPhones in the library?
Because it's also an Apple store.
It's a gift shop. It's a gift shop, so you can buy
Campus
your
Experience Center.
So I think maybe here when you buy your iPhones. Are you serious? Maybe you get student discount. My future phone, I claim it. Amen. They have MacBooks. So if we still have the demo. MacBook Air. It's so sleek. I know, smooth. That over there is the coffee shop. I'm not going to do this, I'm just it's very pretty. The baristas even have sunshine.